I was a printer for 20 years, straight out of school at 16 into the printing industry. Then I had a fall which resulted in a spinal cord injury. So I started looking at IT, and then that's where I started meeting the Adult Learning Centre then.
He had to look at himself again, and he had to decide what he was interested in and what he felt he would be good at. And digital learning immediately captured his interest and imagination.
Adult learning is really important on the way back to work, back to employment. Because if you're unfortunate like I was, to have an accident which takes you out of your comfort zone and where you are, you need retraining. So without the retraining being there, there's nowhere for you to go.
The thing about Paul is he's really unassuming. What he fails to mention is he didn't just get these qualifications, but he got exceptional, outstanding marks. He got an A for his GCSE maths, he got distinction in many of his computer qualifications. From the start he knew what his goal was and he was going to work towards it, and nothing was going to stand in his way.
When you're gaining new skills, you become more confident and you think, well, I can do that. I can do that. So it does improve your self-esteem, really.
Congratulations, Paul, on winning this award. You are such a deserving winner, and I'm delighted that your achievements have been recognised. All
the courses I've done, where I just give 100% in, because I knew I had a goal at the end, and I knew to achieve my goal I had to put all the effort in. It's just really, really pleasing to get recognition for it, really, Yeah, really pleased with it, really surprised.